documenting or this is firing?
It's firing soon.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yes! Yes!
Success! Yes! We need to set this up just a tiny bit. This is the second rocket. This is a one-stage, same design.
Here it goes. Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. Incoming!
Look at that!
Oh. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's the second stage. No,
where is it?
The one stage.
Oh. Whoa! Parachute!
Yes! Oh, that's going deep.
The gut in the wind. That was great.
So,
I am most impressed with your rockets.
all right. Well, that should do her.
So this is a two-stager?
This is a two-stager.
Okay. And this is a brand new, not retrieved from before.
Right, brand new.
But the model is...
It's a proven model.
Right.
Good. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that might be gettable.
What was that? Parachute or something? Recording.
Recording. All right, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. That's gonna be perfect. Oh, come back. Oh, come on. That might be gettable.
Oh. Okay, I'm recording.
Recording. All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know if I don't know if I got that. I don't know. Oh boy.
Like a little beret.
Here it goes. I'm just gonna do it.
Okay, I'm
ready.
I'm ready.
Right, hold on. We got it. Ready? Camera.
Yeah.
Camera.
I'm ready.
Okay, it's going.
Hold her up there, Riley.
Be bad.
Look at that. It's in excellent shape.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll fire that one again.
You know, you've got to kind of bear the burden of thinking out of the box. The people up there are kind of, you know, non-committal, yeah, kind of casual. Probably not realizing the greatness that they're witnessing.
Nothing but a bomb.
We're recording, and I would say go.
Okay, I'm scared, but here goes. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's still going.
Whoa! I don't know what I got.
Holy shit!
That was coming before us, guys. That had our number. Oh boy! Wowie!
Bullet coming at
I
me.
think it's smoking.
Whoa!
Jeez.
Oh, that was good.
That was good. It was like just boosting views.
I'm surprised how well that worked.
It worked.
It like circled you once and then it went boom.
Oh man, I'm gonna get this first.